Hello world, my name is Crystal Anderson and I am the founder and CEO of Penphoria Publishing.
And I'm Brittany Harrington, Vice President of Penphoria Publishing.
So many of our relatives, close friends, and colleagues know that back in September 2018, Britt and I and 4 other beautiful African American women self-published our first literary work together entitled Life Interruptions, Sister Turn and Take Your Journey.
That's right. And Life Interruptions is an anthological work of 6 stories where each author talks about her true experience with dealing with past traumas and challenges that often threaten or halt even our progression towards a self-defined success. And as a people, I truly believe, and especially as women, that we tend to build up these walls of situations which represent different things and happenings in our lives that we either chose to have deal with or block out altogether. But little pieces of restless and unused energy finds its way back into our cycle of thoughts and our daily habits if not properly dealt with.
So as the true characters and authors of these stories of rediscovering self-love, coping with tragic losses, breaking societal and social norms, navigating love and relationships, mastering single parenthood, and attempting to fall in love with health and wellness, each of us share some of our own gems and nuggets of resolution and healing that aided in our elevation to a new level of self-understanding and overarching purpose. So when writing LI, Life Interruptions for short, as a creator, I knew that there was a higher purpose beyond sharing our stories with just people we know or random strangers who would buy the book to be supportive or just people who had sheer curiosity. I knew from the start that we had to take this project global, so we decided to take it to the motherland, South Africa.
We're super excited because our South Africa initiative will be centered around awakening, empowering, and further developing a sense of self for all women, but mostly self-love, self-confidence, self-worth, and purpose. And I think it's safe to say that even as we travel through our own journey with writing Life Interruptions, we each honed in on that liberating feeling we got from speaking our truths and writing it down, cultivating a space, a safe space, for women from various walks of life to come in and share in her experiences both courageously and transparently.
So we want to bring this experience to women and young teens, young girls, and communities in South Africa by hosting creative and interactive writing workshops that will lead to healthy and progressive discussions around our life experiences, and also developing personal tools that will encourage and empower and inspire, just a new way of being that will lead to new levels of success.
For sure. And furthermore, we want to drive this purpose by opening the opportunity for women of South Africa to become self-published authors and confident voices of their community, doing it for the culture, y'all.
So you might be wondering what you can do to be in contribution to such an auspicious and global cause. Well, guess what? We've made it easy for you. All you have to do to back our vision, because you believe in it, is to visit our website at Penphoria.com and click on the South Africa Initiative Kickstarter campaign. Rest assured that any funds that you donate will contribute to airfare and hotel accommodations, security detail to ensure our safety, local transportation, the procurement of equipment and supplies for our writing workshops, and also creating sentimental keepsakes for all the women and young girls who will become the new storytellers of the next installment of Life Interruptions.
And your contributions will also help each and every woman and teen every day to remember to passionately chase her purpose, define who she is, and thrust herself into that next pinnacle of self-defined success as she sees it.
So we'd like to thank you in advance for getting behind our vision and supporting our cause. And there's one other thing. If you have not done it yet, we encourage you to go to Amazon.com and purchase Life Interruptions, Sister Turn and Take Your Journey today.
We thank you for your time and we welcome you to journey with us as Penphoria takes South Africa.